Hi, hello, good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Mabel Competente, 29 years old, Filipino. I am, my religion is Roman Catholic. I have one child, I have 3 brothers, and I am high school graduate. I worked before as a domestic helper in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities, washing and iron, and cleaning marketing. I love and taking care elderly and children. I can cook Filipino foods, and I willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes, and I willing to learn speak Mandarin language. Sir, Madam, please hire me, and I promise I will be a good domestic helper and kind and honest, loyal, and hardworking and responsible. Thank you, Madam and Sir.